Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove GMC Sierra tail lights. Before you begin, gather a few essential tools. You'll need a T15 Torx driver or a 10mm socket to remove the retaining screws. A flat blade screwdriver or a trim removal tool can also be helpful for gently prying the assembly and releasing clips. Always ensure your truck's engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Now let's get started. First, open your GMC Sierra's tailgate all the way. This provides clear access to the tail light assembly. You'll notice two screws positioned on the inner edge of the tail light, facing the tailgate opening. These are the primary fasteners holding the assembly in place. Using your T15 Torx driver or 10mm socket, carefully remove both of these screws. With the screws removed, the next step is to detach the tail light assembly. Gently but firmly pull the entire assembly straight backward, away from the truck's body. There are usually 2 or 3 alignment pins or clips that hold it securely. Once these clips release, the assembly will come free. Then, locate the electrical wiring harness connected to the back of the light. Press the small release tab and carefully pull the connector apart to fully disconnect it. Before reinstalling, take a moment to inspect the tail light housing and wiring for any dirt or damage. When you're ready to put it back, reconnect the electrical harness, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Align the assembly's guiding pins with the corresponding holes on the truck's body. Gently push the tail light assembly back into position until the clips engage. Finally, reinsert and tighten the 2 retaining screws. Then test all your lights to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.